We certainly expect impact across the industry with what is going on in China. We rely on China for a number of basic materials. Lupin's exposure is in the 15 to 20% range when you look at our overall volume. At the same time, our team has worked very hard to ensure continuity of supply. We have strategically increased our inventories in places where we thought it was essential, and feel good about the ability to really manage through the challenges in the near term, the quarter ahead, and are working towards ensuring that continuity of supply in Q4 and beyond as well.
How real is the risk of a third wave in India after what happened in May of this year with wave 2? And as a drug company, how geared are you to step in and build a pipeline, so to speak, of drugs, or even for that matter, source drugs that could help with the COVID-19 fight?
I believe we are much better prepared than we were in the last 2 waves. We have learned a lot as a country as well as industry through the last 2 waves. Really, the level of vaccination has grown significantly with 1 billion doses. We crossed 1 billion doses this month. Still have a long way to go to really immunize the population at large. But we are at a very good ramp rate of immunization, of vaccination. With what this virus has done in terms of variants, it is hard to really predict where this will go in the future. I mean, we're all learning to live with COVID as opposed to assuming that this is going to disappear. But we believe that we're much better prepared at this point than we were at the start of the pandemic. From a company like ourselves, we started, at the beginning of the pandemic with the dual mission of keeping our employees safe while continuing to supply essential medicines. We were able to do that effectively. We had no disruption in our business at all, and it came at a cost. We had increase in costs from a logistics standpoint, from a labor standpoint, but we incurred all of that to ensure that we maintain supply of essential medicines. And we continue to be committed to that cause. As we look at any potential wave in the future, in the coming quarters, we are prepared with plans and procedures much better than we were in the past.